Struggling to find the Whois lookup on Namecheap? In 2 minutes, I'll show you exactly where it is and how to use it. No more digging through menus or getting lost in that cluttered interface. First, head to Namecheap's homepage. Then we'll click through domains to the Whois Lookup tool and run a search. All right, we're going to start at Namecheap.com. This is where I always begin when I'm checking domain details for clients or even for my own projects. The homepage can look busy, but don't worry, we're not staying here long. So look at the main navigation bar at the top of the page. You'll see a bunch of options like domains, hosting, and security. Go ahead and click on Domains. That's your entry point. From that drop-down menu that appears, you're going to look for an option that says Whois Lookup. It's usually listed under the Domains header, right there in the first column. Click on that. Now you're on the right page. Once the Whois Lookup page loads, you'll see a text box where you can type in any domain name. But before we get to that, let me point out something important. You'll notice a section near the top that explains ICANN regulations. In my experience, people skip this text, but it actually tells you why this tool matters. It explains that when a domain is registered, the registrant has to provide up-to-date contact information, and that information gets displayed publicly in the Whois database. So the data you're looking up isn't random, it's official registration details. That's helpful context. Now, I want you to look at the search field. You'll see a highlighted placeholder text that says something like Enter Domain Name. Just click inside that box and type in the domain you want to check. It could be your own domain, a competitor's, or one you're thinking of buying. After you've typed it in, click the Search button. That's the button right next to the search box. It might take a moment to process. Namecheap reaches out to the domain registry to pull the latest information, so give it a second. And there you have it. Once the results load, you'll see everything about that domain. The registrar, the creation and expiration dates, the name servers, and the registrant contact info. All of it right there in front of you. So now you know exactly how to find and use the Whois Lookup tool on Namecheap. No more frustrating menu searching. Just head to the Domains menu, click Whois Lookup, and type in any domain. It's that straightforward. Thanks for watching, and happy domain hunting.